Hey everyone, and welcome to TechWatch Solutions. A question I get asked all the time is, what's the real difference between a DVR and an NVR? Well, today, I'm going to break it down for you in the simplest way possible to help you choose the right one for your security needs. This right here is a DVR, which stands for Digital Video Recorder. Think of it as the brain for your analog security cameras. These cameras connect using coaxial cables, often called B&C cables. When it comes to video quality, most DVRs support up to 5 megapixels, and some go even higher, up to 8 megapixels or 4K depending on the model and brand. You'll find DVRs in 4, 8, 16 or 32 channel versions. That just means how many cameras you can connect. Now this is an NVR, short for Network Video Recorder. It works exclusively with IP cameras. These use standard network cables like Cat5 or Cat6, and the video is usually much sharper. With NVRs, you'll see resolutions like 2 megapixels, 4 megapixels, 5 megapixels, all the way to 8 megapixels or full 4K, again depending on the camera and NVR model. Just like DVRs, they come in 4, 8, 16, 32 channels and more. One big bonus is PoE, Power over Ethernet. That means one cable powers the camera and sends the video. Super clean and simple. Now, even though DVRs and NVRs are different in how they connect, they actually have a lot in common. Both systems record video footage, allow remote viewing via mobile apps, use hard drives for storage, usually 1 terabyte to 10 terabytes, support motion detection to save space, let you do live view and playback, are password protected, have HDMI and VGA outputs for monitor connection, support USB backups, come in multiple channel options, 4, 8, 16, 32 plus. Can be used for both homes and businesses. Still feeling unsure about which one fits your setup? No problem at all. Just send me a message or drop a comment below. I'll personally help you pick the best option for your space. And hey, don't forget to follow TechWatch Solutions for more smart security tips and insights. We're building smarter, safer security just for you.